Alright guys, so this video is going to be about my fitness journey and all the questions that you guys asked me on Snapchat. So you see, that's why I'm following me on Snapchat, because on Snapchat I do these kind of things. I ask questions, I do polls. So not stripper polls, but polls as in to see what you know what I mean. Well, y'all gotta be so nasty. Gah. So the first question comes from Genevieve, and it says, where do you get your inspiration from? I love my curves, but I'm constantly pressured by others to lose weight because they are used to me being very skinny and I've gained weight. Well, tell them about their mother good girl. I'm gonna tell you this, Genevieve. Let me just make one video. Oh, I be calling her? Hi boo, I'm answering question right now on Snapchat, and I just want to say, boo, if you love how you are, I love how you are. Okay, if you look good curvy, you look good curvy, and it just done. You know, I'm answering question right now on Snapchat, and I just want to say, boo, if you love how you are, I love how you are. Okay, if you look good curvy, you look good curvy, and it just done right yourself. Alright then, where do I get my motivation from? Honestly, I'm a very weird human being, and I'm considering a lot of things that may be wrong with me, but nothing may be wrong with me. It's just that I'm just so weird. It's just like, why am I so weird, Jesus? Where do I get my inspiration from? My inspiration comes from everything. First of all, what kicked off me doing my my weight loss journey is Amy Nicola X on Amy Nicola OX on YouTube, or Amy Nicola XO, I think. And first of all, I was YouTubing, you know, how to lose 50 pounds, how to lose 30 pounds, what I ate to lose 50 pounds, what I ate to lose 30 pounds, and that's what I found about Amy Nicola. And when I watched her videos and how much weight she lost in 6 months, I was like, I can do this. No, and I'm sure there's a question that's like this that I'm about to answer, but I lost 21 pounds the last time, you guys, when I was making that video about, I think it was my Adjusted Locks, was my Fenty by Rihanna shoes. When I made that video, I had lost 21 pounds, and I think I've gained 2 pounds. And guys, I cannot express to you how depressed I have been for the past 2 or 3 days, because I've been working and the weight isn't moving. I've been eating properly. The truth is, I am afraid to eat. I don't know if there's a medical term for it, but because I've been losing weight and I've lost over 20 pounds, I'm very afraid to eat. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm afraid to eat because I don't want to gain weight. I'm afraid to eat because I don't want to gain weight. I'm afraid to eat because I don't want to gain weight. So I eat, and people say eat in small portions. Your girl does not do small portions, okay? I just do not. I recently, like probably 2 days ago, started doing small portions. Like when me eat. Okay, I eat, and that's why I would eat probably once or twice a day, because I eat. So now I'm learning to do small portions. But who really encouraged me, or where I get my inspiration from, is just by watching weight loss videos, by looking at before and after weight loss, before and after, like stuff like that really inspires me. Gym outfits, stuff like that. Just watching YouTube videos and researching what I want to know about that inspires me. So Makeup Freak 84, tap to load. So Makeup Freak 84 says,
what started you on your weight loss journey? You are really motivating me, and I can really tell whatever you're doing is working. And what are you eating as far as your fitness weight loss journey? Because you're really motivating me too. My last question is, where can I purchase the, I don't know if you call it a waist trainer or the waist belt to work out in?
Alright, I think I answered what started, and she said, what do I eat? Now, I make a shake that I am completely addicted to, and I have a recipe on my Lyric Uncut channel, and I want to do a specific video on that, on like what I eat in a day. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing what I eat in a day video, where I literally film what I'm eating. And we can do a cooking with Lyric fitness edition, where you'll see what ingredients goes into when I cook. But just to give you guys a rough like an overview, whenever I cook, I eat chicken and fish only. Seafood, chicken, fish, shrimp, if I can't remember eating shrimp, crab you know, like stuff like that. But mostly I buy chicken and fish. I don't buy pork, I don't buy beef, and not because I don't want to, but it's expensive. chicken chip, fish chip, and cheap for fish is relative. So I get that, and I season it is with garlic, guys. If you know Simone, you know Simone love garlic. And you have the garlic that comes in the jar. Hate that one. I like the real raw garlic. The ones that ward away vampires. Yes, that's the one I love. I'm gonna cut up whole heap, like 5 peg of garlic, and I make chicken. I do my chicken now. I cook for me and Jeremy. I like 2 pounds of chicken and a 5 peg of garlic in it. A good girl. So I have that, and I do onion. I love the smell of onion. Love the smell of garlic. Girl. So I do garlic, I do onion, and I do scallion, and I do scotch bonnet pepper. You know, those are my main seasoning. And I do other powder seasoning, like I just throw powder seasoning in there. I have no rhyme or reason, just put powder seasoning there to probably give the chicken color. I do not use browning. I don't use browning, and I'm going to cut with something that's probably going to get me memed, but I don't know how to use browning. When I use it, the chicken gets black. When I use it, it gets burnt. I'm like, what? Screw this. I don't need this. I don't need this in my life. So I don't use browning whenever I'm cooking. And ketchup. Ketchup is a must. Now I've done it without ketchup before, but the ketchup just helps to make the gravy. So that's what I put in my meats. But for chicken and fish, don't get it twisted about all of those seasoning to chicken and fish. I don't do fish seasoning, chicken seasoning. No, that's not what I do. That's just not what I do. Yeah, and that's for my meat, and then I cook it down. I don't eat rice, and I do sweet potato and vegetable. That's all I do. Sometimes I do Irish potato, but I don't like Irish potato. I am in love with sweet potato. Sweet potato is baked. Sweet potato, that's wifey. Like sweet potato and we have children. There's a commitment there. Yes, I love sweet potato, and that's what I eat, like for a meal, like food wise. So if my grandmother, she make callaloo or cabbage, you know, stuff like that. But again, it's mostly vegetable. If I'm going out, if I'm on the road, I buy I go by Island Grill is my favorite place to eat out. Not eat out, but my favorite place to have meals. And I always get the Go Light barbecue breast and wing, bite size raw veg. That's what I always get. And then I buy a bottle of water, or I already have a bottle of water with me. Wendy's, same thing. I always go for their I don't think they call it large, they have another name, but I always go for the large salad, the large barbecue chicken salad. I always go for the large. It's so good. And when they sell bottled water, so I just get a bottle of water, and then that's it. So that's in terms of what I eat when I'm on the road and what I eat when I'm at home. And I make my shake, and my shake has granola in there, Quaker granola, and the granola that I use has raisins, almonds, and I think it has like a honey glaze because it's very sweet. I recently started using 1 banana. Recently, I mean like probably 3 weeks now. 1 banana, and sometimes, but not all the times, I use like a spoon of Greek yogurt and almond milk and strawberries, like 3 to 4 strawberries, and I blend it up, and that's my shake, and that's a meal. And sometimes I'll have 2 shakes for the day, and I'm good to go. But yeah, and where do you get the belts? You get the belts at pomebylyric.com. We ship on the 1st of June. Actually, we can ship sooner, but I'm waiting on the packaging, the packaging to put you guys stuff in it, to put the belts in. I'm waiting on the packages. I'm waiting on the packages to actually put your belts in. So that's why we're to ship on the 1st of June. We can ship the belts earlier, but I'm waiting on the packaging. That's what we're waiting on. All right. So yeah, so that's where you get the belts. pomebylyric.com. Put your belts in. So that's why. Alright, so Keisha302 says, how much weight are you trying to lose? I don't know how much weight I'm trying to lose. I'm just trying to be thick. I'm trying to have that small waist, that big ass booty, that big badonk though, and some cute little boobs. But Jonathan destroyed any hope of me having cute boobs. But yeah, I don't know, but I just want to look on the scale and see 150 pounds. I was saying that I want to do when I hit 140, I'll start going to the gym, but I don't want to do that anymore. When I hit 150, I'll start going to the gym and then work excuse me, on toning, work on gains and stuff like that. But if at 150 I am not where I want to be physically, then I'll go until I lose probably 10 more pounds. Lexi Born to Be Great says,
what I want to know is what keeps you going, like
What keeps me going? As I say, I guess it's self-motivation somewhat, but I tell you, when I'm scrolling through these fitness apps, guys, please follow Poem by Lyric. Follow Poem by Lyric on Instagram. Jamaican Makeup Arts on Instagram. Lyric Rochester on Instagram, but most importantly, Poem Fitness on Instagram, because I post bodies that, and I say I, because y'all know I run that page, right? I post bodies that I'm like, oh, if only that were me. So I post things that would encourage me, and that's what I do, and that's why I love the Pomade Fitness Instagram page, because it encourages you. What I want to start doing is posting like what you can eat, like meals you can eat, you know, fat burning foods, this burning foods, fat gaining foods, whatever. And we want to take Pomade Fitness to another level, but we're just starting out, to give us some time, you know what I'm saying, give us some time, but that keeps me going. And she wrote, if I recommend wearing the belt while you sleep. You can, but this is what I don't do that, because this is how I think. Your girl can't be working out 24/7. I wake up early in the mornings. I wake up sometimes either 15 minutes to 4 or 20 minutes to 4 to leave up between 4:15 and 4:30. Me, my mate Sudine, and recently Camille start going to the hill with us, so it's 4 of us that go to the hill. So I wake up early, walk to meet them, then walk to the hill. The walk to the hill and back to the house is between 2 point something and 3 miles, depending from where I'm walking from. If I'm walking from further out, then it's 3 miles point something. If I'm walking closer, then it's 2 point something, close to 3 miles, you know, like 2.9, 2.8 thereabouts. So I walk safely, let's just say 3 miles 4 to 6 times a week. And I say 4 to 6 times a week because sometimes I wake up and I don't feel like going, so I don't go, which is rare. The only time I don't go is if like something is chronically wrong with me. It's very rare that I do not go. Rare. And if I don't go today, I'm going to go tomorrow because I missed today. Yeah, so that's what I do. And you can sleep in the belts, but I don't, because I need to give my body time to be my body. I don't want to wear it every single time. 1, because I'm sweating it when I go to the hill. 2, because I just want my body to be relaxed and see how it is, see the progress. If I'm constantly in the belt, I feel like I'm forcing my body and I'm pushing it too hard. I already wake up at 4 in the morning, to 4 in the morning to go to the hill to walk 3 miles and then back home. Then I have stuff to do when I get home. So I'm like, bruh, I don't need all that pressure. But you can if you choose to. Personally, I don't need all that pressure. I really don't. Am I filming? Yes, I am. So Exo Claudine C says, do you recommend wearing the belt directly on the skin so it doesn't show? Well, the belt isn't it is, I think it's bulky. It's not like a waist trainer or waist cincher. It is a fitness belt. So you lap it on and then you lap it on again. So there's a bit of a bulk. So I recommend wearing it on the clothes, because when you wear it on the clothes you burn more, because they have your shirt that's sitting on you. I know sometimes when you have on your shirt you're already sweaty, then to put the belt over that's insulated, you sweat even more. And I just want to say, for the fitness freaks watching this video, I know you can't target fat loss. I've done so many research and you cannot target fat loss. But what it will do, it will help you to get a more hourglass shape. It will help you to burn belly and back fat as well. that's what the Pomade Fitness belt will do for you. So I'm not saying wear this and you're gonna be a size whatever in 3 weeks. No, I'm saying this will help you. So if you're wearing the belt and you're still doing Burger King, KFC, rice, all the unhealthy carbs, then boo, you won't budge. You know what I mean? Like, you have to work. I've been waking up and working like crazy. Forever QD says, I hope this seems fitness related to you, but I wanted to know, do you think your new diet and exercising regimen is the reason for your skin clearing up so nicely? Hell yeah. Like, my water intake is like my water intake, it's crazy. I've been drinking so much water on a daily basis, and I didn't used to. And I tested out something. I did not wash my face with like a facial cleanser or a facial soap for about 2 days, and my skin still glowed. But what I did, I exfoliated. So I made with a rag. So I used my rag and I just, you know, rub it all over my face to get rid of the oils, because my face feels oily. Because I have combination skin now, which is weird because I never had combination skin before. I just had like oily normal skin, but now I have normal and oily skin, just oily some places, but that's not the point. So yeah, hell yeah, of course, all props. And then the new diet, because I'm not eating all those oily foods, greasy foods, and when I do go fast food, as you guys know, I do chicken and veg. So Yeah, Faith.rm says, what do you usually eat on a daily, and do you eat carbs? Oh, I answered that already. And hell yeah, I eat carbs, because tap to load, because what must I eat again? Sweet potato. Sweet potato is a carb, and I eat sweet potato. Bread, I think bread is the devil. I think the bread is why my weight has not moved. I'm gonna stop eating bread again, because I would eat like 4 slices of bread before. That was always on my teeth. I would eat like 4 slices of bread in like one sitting before I started my journey, and then I'd stopped eating bread, stopped eating rice, and then I started by eating like 2 slices of bread, and I stopped for a while and I started eating 1 slice of bread. So I think bread is my enemy. I really do. So I'm going to cut off bread for a week and watch how my weight goes. Yeah, I eat eggs, but boiled eggs. Boiled eggs, the shake. As I tell you, bread, I just told you my bread story. Ackee, callaloo, cabbage, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, I eat carbs. I do eat carbs, and I am addicted to frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt. So Sarah Maxwell 20 says,
I think I just want to say that I've noticed your weight loss and I think you're doing great. So I just want to know what are the stuff that you eat on a day-to-day basis for your meals to keep up that weight.
Okay, yeah, and so I've been answering that, but I just want to say as well that I have been snacking. Maybe that's why my weight has been stuck this month, because I've been doing good. I'm losing 10 pounds per month, and this month it's just like where I haven't lost my 10 pounds, because my goal is to lose 10 pounds per month, and I've been doing that for March and April, but May has just been meh. Yeah, so I eat snacks, but let me tell you how I eat my snacks. I eat my snacks probably like if I buy snacks for Jonathan, I just tea-fold some, like 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6, and drink a little lime juice. So it is hard eating how I eat. It is extremely hard, and I'm seeing that it's hard now, because initially when I started, like, my energy was through the roof. My determination was to be reckoned with. Like, I can do this. I bought everything I need to buy. I even bought healthy snacks. No, it's just like
pass the big food. Yeah, big food. Give me a big food and a bottle of water.
You know, like, no, it's just like I can't be bothered. But that doesn't stop me, and that doesn't stop anybody from reaching any goal, really. But you know, you guys, we just have that kind of a season where it's just like, give me a double whopper. And I haven't had burgers in such a long time. KFC. Moderation though, because I don't cut off from all the foods. I do it in moderation. So now I'm watching how my body reacts to certain moderations. Like I know with bread, I'm going to not consume bread for a week and see if my weight changes. I know for the little snacks that I eat, it doesn't budge at all. There's a juice, like a little box juice, like juice box, you guys call them, little skinny ones. Those, them not do me nothing, because as I drink one, I drink like 10 gallons of water for get rid of that into my system. And I have a bowel movement every single morning. Oh yeah. Kim Marley Tasha says,
Hey boo, how much weight have you lost since the fitness thing? Because you really look good. Like, just see a while ago, what's your snap? Oh my goodness.
Oh, you guys, that really makes me feel good, because, and I told you guys, I said it. So I told you I was 21 pounds when I made that video, and I've gained 2 pounds. It's depressing, it really is. And I know it doesn't seem like I got lyric 2 pounds, but when you've been working so damn hard, like even a pound difference is a huge difference. Well, for me it is. But yeah, I can't remember her question, but yeah, I can't remember her question, but yeah. So what was her question? Oh, what do I eat? I think she had asked, and I've been telling you guys what I eat. So Al-Nisa_J says, what is your workout routine and what does your diet consist of? My workout routine is hill. When I just started, I used to do the 15-pound weights in the night, and I used to lift like this. And I work my biceps, triceps, and my abs as well, and my, what do you call them? Obliques, yeah. So I used to work those, and I stopped for like a month month and a half, like month and 3 weeks, almost 2 months. And now I started back doing my arm exercises, because I have 2 5-pound at my grandmother's house. I Sudine one, but my teeth. Oh, Sudine is my hill partner, by the way. And I have the 15-pound here at my house, and the 15-pound is amazing for doing those obliques. And amazing for, like, right here now it's hurting me because I've been doing the 2 5-pound, and then I put them in one hand and then I create a 10-pound. So yeah. And what does your diet consist of? And oh, and I've been telling you guys to eat and water. I rarely do juice. Only time I drink juice, I'm not drinking Jonathan juice, but water. Classic Couture, hey Bubble, talk to me, honey. She says, how do I lose 15 pounds? I'm gonna show them. Is she gonna put up one picture? Oh no, she has something. Let me tell you this. Classic Couture does not need to lose 15 pounds because mama has a banging body. So I'm gonna ignore you, Bubbo, because you are fine. Alright? Literally fine. And literally fine. Maga. Chevanese Senior says, if you live in Portmore, do you still have to order the belt online? No, Bubbo. And hold on, let me say this to her. I have a huge surprise coming for all my Portmore girls, so stay tuned for that. But no, you don't have to. So I have a huge surprise coming, but we're planning it. We want, and let me just sneak and tell you, we are going to do, let me just say, we want to do a Pull Me Fitness Challenge. Where, and this is all in my head. So my guys, know how you feel about this. The belts go for excuse me, $40 on this blood cleanse. The belts go for $40 on the site, and I have to pay $7 for shipping at the cheapest. So the belts come to probably 5,300, 5,400 Jamaican dollars. No, I'm going to be selling the belts out here locally, clearly, when they come, for 5,500. But if you can make it to the top of the hill, you can have a Pull Me Fitness belt for $4,500 off. I mean, $4,500. That's $1,000 off once you can make it up the hill. Now, I'm doing this, 1, because it's a fitness line, obviously. 2, for you to push yourself. For you to just jumpstart how bad you want it. How bad you want to lose weight. Why do you want the belt? Just to show, to say, hey, look at my bad from lyric. Or you want it to actually lose weight. You want to actually get the shape that you want. You want it because this will help you in your journey. Why do you want it? And I'm going to push you. If you can make it to the top of that hill, if you can make it to the top of that hill, I might have a drink of water for you, boo. If you can make it to the top of that hill, you get $1,000 off. And of course, a banging selfie with me. But I don't know. Let me know what you think about that, because that's in my head. And I said it to Jeremy, and I was like, babe, what are you thinking? I said, well, I have to take into consideration where the people them live, all them something. Then I'm like, yeah, you're right. You're so right. But I don't want them to drive to me. Because I could stay at the bottom of the hill, but I'm like, no, I don't want that. If y'all want to lose weight, get in shape for free, because y'all can just walk. And I walk from Daytona. I walk 3 miles to get there. And it would be on a Saturday, and it would be on a Saturday morning. A Saturday morning kind of early where the sun not pelt. So by 9 o'clock, I am out of there, because the sun gets hot at 8. So by 8 I'm gone. And then I can probably come back again in the evening, and then we see how it goes. Now the mosquitoes on the hill are the devil. Devil's little children. So they're vicious up there. So that's why I don't know, but it's going to be on a Saturday though, because I believe most of you are free in the mornings. Because if you go to work on a Saturday, you go work probably later than earlier, so you could probably do that. So Miss Charles says, do you ship internationally to London, UK? Yes, we do. Yes, yes, mama, we do. Okay, so Shav XX says, good afternoon. For the Pull Me Fitness belt, when you buy a large, for example, do you lose the weight and get to like a medium or small? Does the belt adjust to your new waist size, or does it stay at the large? No, man, it adjusts. Let me tell you something. Even because on this website, pullmebylyric.com, shameless plug, there we'll put guidelines. Not saying that you have to buy this if you're that you have to buy it. It's just a guideline. But I am a 36 now. I was a 38. I'm a 36 now, and I have to tell you guys this story, but it's another time. Just So no, that's going to be a story time. But yeah, so I'm a 36 now. So when I wrap the belt, I mean, I don't know. It adjusts is what I want to get out of my mouth. It adjusts. It adjusts to be bigger, but it can't be adjusted to be too small. Alright? So it can be adjusted to be bigger but not too small. Now if you can adjust it to be small, it can work, but it works if you're adjusting it for it to be bigger. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah? I hope that makes sense. But yes, it can be adjusted, is what I want to say to you. It doesn't stay at a large, it can be adjusted. Crap. Chevanese, may I answer? Can I answer me? Alright, so Sharon K. Mabry 80 says,
Hi, this is Sharon K. from Mississippi. My question is, how did you lose your weight? You're looking gorgeous, by the way. And how did you clear your skin? My breakouts aren't too bad, but I have a lot of scarring, as you can see. So could you help with like some tips of what you did to get yours to clear up? Because yours is looking
wow. As I said, guys, it's just the diet, and then I don't just say diet meaning temporary. I just said diet meaning lifestyle change. Like, this is just what I've been eating. Water, I think water is what really cleared up my skin. I got this like huge, I had this huge bump, and what happened is that I've been watching Dr. Pimple Popper here on YouTube, and that woman got me popping my pimples, and I'm like, oh, I need to get a comedone extractor. Oh, I need to get one of those. I was like, oh, forget about it, I'm just gonna do it myself, and then end up scarring myself. So I now know that whenever you pop your pimples unprofessionally or incorrectly, let me say that, when you pop your pimples incorrectly, you're left with scarring. And that's what I've been doing for years and years. So I have a huge scar here, and I have scarring here and here. And yeah, but it has gotten so much better because of my diet change. As I said, I don't eat a lot of oh, and I didn't tell you guys, whenever I buy Island Grill, my boss get Island Grill barbecue breast and wing bite size raw veg, I have to buy fries. I have to buy Island Grill fries. I am legitimately addicted to Island Grill fries. Like, oh, I have to. I cannot buy Island Grill and not buy fries. It's blasphemy. No, I can't. No, I have to get the fries with the meal. I have to. If I do not, it's like I'm doing an injustice. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make any sense, really. It doesn't really. So yeah, crap, my British accent messed up everything. I don't know what I was saying, but yeah. Oh yeah, so water. Drink a lot of water, but it can probably Google scar removing creams, but it's going to be tedious because you have to put them on every single one using, I would recommend using a Q-tip and not your fingers. So yeah, I've just been drinking water. So Beryl Melissa says,
stay motivated.
Stay motivated.
To one video every morning. I've been trying to lose some weight and it's not working.
Okay. You see, I get that a lot from people. Hold on, she wrote something. Oh god damn, she wrote something. Okay. Okay, this is a lot. This is a lot. Okay. Let me just answer this. This is a lot. See that? Let me just answer this. I can read this off camera see if I can answer it because time. Yeah, so as I told you guys what keeps me motivated, looking at before and after pictures, looking at different things that would make me happy, looking at people's journey, watching YouTube videos, and on YouTube, how to lose 50 pounds in 3 months, how to lose this pounds in that month, how to lose that, or what I ate to lose this amount of pounds, yeah, stuff like that. So that's what I do. But what you have to do is find out what works for you, because for me and for my lifestyle, waking up at 4:30 in the at 4 in the morning, that works for me, because I have my husband, and if I'm by my grandmother, I have my grandmother and my mommy, no, my grandmother, because me and mommy go to the hill together now, so I have my grandmother to take care of Jonathan, you know what I mean? So I have help with Jonathan. Now if it's a case where you do not have help, then you can't necessarily join a gym or go to the hill. You have to do some at-home exercises. And what I do as well, I downloaded some at-home exercises, some apps, you know, abs in 5. They make a foolish something there. I downloaded a bunch of those, and when I can't make it, I do those, and which is rarely, because I think I even deleted some because I don't want to do those anymore. But yeah, like Hill makes me feel good about myself. But yeah, so that's what I do. So I'm gonna read this and then come back to you guys. And also stock up on healthy choices, like probably oatmeal, cookies. Yeah, so stock up on it. if you do snack on, or shakes, look into shake, like juice shakes. So you can do like banana, melon, pine, or shake. Yeah, like fruit shakes. So do that before bed, and then that's a healthier choice that will keep you full, right? So try doing that. Do fruits before bed instead of like solid food. Alright, so basically what she was saying that her job doesn't really permit her. She leave her work at 6, reach home 7:30, and then she's hungry, so she just eats something, then go to bed, and because she don't normally feel gassy or uncomfortable, she figures she's okay, and then she end up putting on the weight. So for people who are like that, like your job doesn't permit you, as I was saying before, you do some fitness apps and you do it that way if you can't necessarily go out of your home. Also, whenever you're hungry and you want to snack, buy like a bag of raisins. Buy Google. I'm going to say this. Just Google how to lose a certain amount of weight, foods to eat to lose a certain amount of weight, and then once you do that, that will be your guideline. Do not follow it strictly, because you may fall off the bandwagon and that may discourage you. So use that as your guideline. Once you have that as your guideline, you are gold. Now you have an idea of what to eat, what not to eat, and what to eat as substitute. I no longer eat rice. What I eat instead of rice? Food. Yam, banana, sweet potato, food, but the one I eat mostly is the sweet potato. If I cook yam and banana because German wants it, I'm gonna try a little piece, but that's not my favorite thing. Give me sweet potato any day, man, any day. That's my food. Ali Boo 92 says, hey Lyric, other than going to the hill and wearing your Puma fitness belt, what does your diet consist of? And I already told you guys what it was already so many times. So Lima Faya, he says,
hey Lyric, I just wanted to know how you keep consistent in your workouts and keep motivated every day, because for me it goes in spurts. Because my motivation and consistency comes in spurts. I'll be motivated one week and good one week, and then the next I'm not. So how do you do that each and every?
Sorry guys for yawning. As I said, you just have to, what I do is I just look at people who before and afters, and people's before and afters. Ty McQueen, guys, Ty McQueen is queen. She is bae. She is mother. She is, alright, like Ty McQueen is. Instagram Ty McQueen, or the plus size trainer, and Snapchat her as well, as in follow her on Snapchat. Now if you guys are Christians, like, you know, my Christians, you know, she may not be a cup of tea because, you know, she cusses and, you know, she smokes. She keeps it very real, but I love her because of her journey. And that's what I do. I isolate. I can have a role model that's not a Christian, that is probably a secular artist, but I isolate what you're for. You understand? So I'll take your business sense. I'll take your work ethic. Ty McQueen, her work ethic is boss. Homegirl goes to the gym like 2 times a day. Like, that's her job. She considers it her job. That's what she does. Like, and she said it. She's like, you guys go to the office, you guys go to school, I go to the gym. That's what I do. She started, and then she said in 2015, she said it was a horrible year. Like, for the entire year, she only lost, what, 17 pounds? I'm like, bro, for a year? And I'm over here like, I only lost 20 pounds in 2 months. God damn it. Why am I so stupid? And so that, just saying it now, I'm like, oh, there, that's a huge ass wake up call. But yeah, but that's what she did. And no, if you see Ty and how hard that girl grind is legit, we love her on Pome Fitness. If you go on Pome Fitness right now, you are going to see Ty McQueen. She's bae. So follow her. She keeps me motivated. Amy Nicola X kicked off my motivation, and also watching YouTube videos how to lose weight, stuff like that. Chrissy D Champion says, hey Lyric, I wanted to send you a video message, but you know how Snapchat is already. Anyway, my question is, are you doing brisk walking or just simply walking up the hill every day before you work out on your diet? What's your diet like? Well, I walk to the hill, but when I get to the hill, I run, walk. So I run, and as soon as I feel my legs giving out, I begin to walk. Then I run again. When I feel my legs giving out, I begin to walk. But I never started like that. I started walking. When I say walking, I mean I started barely walking, because your girl was, when the first time I went to that, the first part of the hill, just like the first part, I was dizzy. dizzy. And somebody came up to me, I call him a prophet, because he said just lie down. I'm like, yes, prophet, I will, Jesus. And I just lay down. I just fell out. I was just like, and I was dizzy. Everything was unstable. I was scared. I was like, I'm not doing this no more. My health is at risk. But I did, and now I'm got 19 pounds lighter. God damn it, I was 21. Hate this. But yeah, so Johnny says, first let me say congratulations on everything, your weight loss, your baby, and your Cosmo line. You go, girl. Rep JA and all. Secondly, I just finished watching your last video on YouTube and had to run come add you on Snap because I too would like to lose 21 pounds. LOL. Let me on your secret. How you do it, PS, pardon my Creole, but I just had to exaggerate. But I've been telling you guys for the better part of this video, which is long, and I'm sorry. But yeah, so Mercy Parker says, good evening, what is the name of the artist you always play in the videos? I have so many. DH, and this is supposed to be a fitness related thing, but I'm gonna just be because I'm nice. Today I'm nice. DAJ, Dunamis, Prodigal Son, Chosen, which is spelled CHOZENN. Stay my love. So yeah, Deja Mitchell. Deja, oh no, because Deja and I we talk, so she just saying something about Jonathan. Yeah, so oh, and these, oh yeah, I'm done. Oh, that's it, I'm done. So these other three, one is from my friend and the other two are from people that I sent them the Snap and they're responding to me. So yeah, so that's basically it for this video. It was long, and I'm sorry it was so long. I probably will not edit this video because I want it to go pretty soon. And I just want to plug Pull Me Fitness, which is, the logo has been floating around anyway in the video. But that's what we're working on, and the belts are for $40 US on the website and $7 for shipping if that's what you choose, or $15. Now please bear in mind that for Pull Me by Lyric as well as Pull Me Fitness, we do ship from Jamaica from our local post office, so it's taking 2 to 4 weeks to get into your country. It has nothing to do with us. That's just what we have to deal with using our regular post. No, I want to say that we can use DHL and FedEx, but then shipping will be $50 minimum, and you get it within 2 days wherever you are in the world. 2 days shipping is minimum. We can have that option on the site, but I personally think it's absolutely ridiculous to have shipping for $50. $50. No. So that's why our shipping is so reasonable. I want to say cheap, so cheap, because we're shipping from our local post office, and because we're shipping from our local post office, again, we cannot get tracking until it's in your country. So if you're in the US, use USPS. If you're in the UK, you use, I think it's Royal Mail, and if you're in Canada, you use Canada Post. So that's what you do, but you cannot track it until you're 2.5 weeks into your shipment. You understand? So 2 weeks, give it another couple of days. So give it 2.5 weeks, and then you can track your item once it gets into your country. If your tracking is still not getting into your country, then you just wait 3 weeks. But the thing is, we don't take your money and keep your stuff at the just keep your stuff. We don't. We ship out your products, and I take great offense to people saying that we're scammers and that we're not. We're just shipping from Jamaica, and the ship time has nothing to do with us. And I will defend my company. I will defend my company and defend its integrity, because integrity is what you have. Your name, when you have a company, especially a new company, your name is all you have, because nobody knows you. Nobody not even know your name, and that's all you have. So credibility means everything to us. Everything to us. Alright? So just wanted to say that to you. Oh, I'm sweating, but my sweat is cute. It's right here. You see that? It's so cute. But yeah, so that's basically it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Follow me on Snapchat.